MBA is sponsored in part by Loring Outdoors and viewers like you.
Set down here about all season, so let's hope it means down. We shall see. And it's good looking yoke. Yeah, stay with me. Full pack catch, I believe. See what we got. Another small one. Yeah, another small one. Not too happy, but them garters look good. Good looking coyote. Good pad catch. Where that rock's wedged out, or mud or something on that trap. I don't know. But he's chewed them jaws on that trap and everything. And them springs work good. Stay with me. Number 12. They ravaged this farm. They have ravaged this farm. But he came down through. I had a small cubby with a dirt hole type set. So sometimes I'll do doubles. I'll do a dirt hole with maybe a little piece of chicken moored right at the base of a tree and a dirt hole right out from it. Sometimes it works, sometimes it don't. But today it worked. That's a good looking coyote. Stay with me, we got a bunch of traps to check. Bunch of snares to check. We're gonna go down and see what the beaver's doing. Stick around. Herd of them must have came through last night. He ain't going nowhere. Full pad catch, he's in that drag. That's a good looking yoke right there too, but 2 dogs. God, look at the color on that one. Man, that's pretty. He's right here where I'm standing, and the others are out there where the side by side is. So 2 dogs so far. Let's get busy. I had to sit right there. Kind of using that grass pot as a backing in order to get them to come in and work. And I put a few scraps right out through here on the back side of that. A lot of times they'll come in from the opposite end if you've got a bait pile. That's just a small, probably 3 or 4 pieces of deer just on the back side where the rock pile is. But I also, like I said, a lot of times use a funnel and add a dirt hole or a cubby with a dirt hole and a piece of chicken, whatever it takes to get them to come in. And they're coming in. That's 2. Coyote 13. Driving down the field, I wondered if it would help or hurt me. Well, apparently it's helped me. They're using it. So 13 coyotes. We're just getting started. We may have 2 or 3 more up the hill. I don't know. Busy day today. Stay with me. I'm not going to go into the reasons why. It's a long story, but I used to turkey hunt. Loved to turkey hunt and squirrel hunt. And some things happened, and I got away from it. I got everything I need to turkey hunt, even the property. Take a look. They are tearing this all to pieces. Private land, my uncle owns it. Told me I can get a bear, told me I can get a deer, told me I can get turkey, squirrel, whatever I wanted. Told me to come up here and treat it just as if it's mine. Used to be an old schoolhouse set here. Believe it or not. Way back up here on the mountain. 20s and 30s, there was a school there. There's metal still there. But the turkeys are tearing this all to pieces. The perfect spot to put the coyotes. Look here, look here, look here. To put the coyotes on a big gobbler. Now, having said that, I don't know about filming it. I've never filmed a turkey hunt. Never have. Always take pictures of the aftermath. Never actually done any filming of a hunt. So this year, if I'm able, the good Lord willing the creek don't rise, we're going to be set up right out here. Get us a gobbler. What do you say? Back to squirrel hunting and turkey hunting. I've got orders to fill in the wood shop, I know. Still waiting on my joiner. Still waiting on it, yeah. But we're going to hammer this out right here. My uncle owns 110 acres here. Told me to get bear, turkey, deer, whatever I wanted. Close the gate behind me. Going about my business. So, nevertheless, we're about to have us an adventure. Time to get out the old mouth calls, and the slate calls, and the acrylic calls, and the decoys, and brush up. Right there at the watering hole. We'll get us a gobbler. Hope you stay with me. Get you a drink. Oh my God. Oh, Lord. Back up. Pump your brakes, Dabrusha.